everybody, welcome back. Who wants to open two 2019 Prizm football mega boxes? I do, me. That's what I have. They have 10 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, and each box has one mega box exclusive rookie autographs Prizm neon green. I was afraid I was going to butcher that, so I said it even more slowly than I normally talk. My southern drawl. So, yeah, let's get into these. I don't know what else. I don't remember, gosh. I guess these probably have the same, or just about the same potential for parallels as the hobby boxes. I know that obviously retail's gonna deliver something a little bit different, but I'm assuming that we can still get some of those colors and numbered cards out of this the same as we can with the hobby. Let's see what it says other than the autograph. If it does, there we go. Randomly inserted base Prizm neon green pulsar green inserts. Yeah, I don't see all those other parallels listed there, so maybe not. I do have other Prizm retail on the way. I have the rack packs, the multi-pack packs, and 2 blaster boxes, so we'll break into those as soon as they arrive. Let me go ahead and pull the cards out of this box too. These big old boxes are bulky and hard to maneuver in front of without knocking the camera over, so might as well just go ahead and pull them out. Alright. Here we go. There's our packs. Alright, I think we're ready. There is Le'Veon, Leonard, Wagner, Taylor Rapp rookie, Odell Beckham Jr., Hunter Henry. There is a Fireworks Deshaun Watson and DK Metcalf rookie. Not bad pack there. I said that fast. Not bad pack there. Not bad pack there. Evan Ingram, Roquan Smith, Golf. There is Kyler Murray. I have been really lucky with pulling Kyler Murray rookies. Got one out of each of the hobby boxes and now have a third out of this retail box. Cole Beasley, Derrick Henry, Hines Ward, and Clayton Thorson rookie. Josh Dotson. Oh, here comes, I think, our autograph. Nick Vanette. It is Darius Slayton. That is really nice looking card and not a bad pull at all for retail. Cool. And Jay Sternberger. I think I might hear UPS man, and if I do, I'll have to pause it because the dogs are going nuts. Golden Tate, Mason Crosby, Harrison Butker, and Miles Sanders rookie. I am so happy that Panini seems to have listened to people last year about the quality of the cards, especially the scratches on the surface, because so far these cards look really good, hobby and retail. McCaffrey, Clinton Portis, Emergent, Cooper Kupp, and Darnell Savage Jr. rookie card. Last year's looked like just like a cat had just clawed them to death. Callaway, Deshaun Watson, Conley, and Travis Homer rookie. O.J. Howard, Terry Bradshaw. There is a green, neon green Bobby Wagner. So you get the autograph and I guess one more. Marquise Blair rookie. But I'm not seeing any other parallels. I don't see silver. I don't see any of all those different varieties from hobby. Leighton Vander Esch, Graham, Donald, and Gary Jennings Jr. So it really is some rookies and these two. And that is about it. I'll have to see what the others, the blaster, the rack packs should have what? I guess the red, white, and blue parallels from that. This exclusive red, white, and blues. Anderson, Eakins, Aitman, and Riley Ridley. Can't remember blasters. Blasters maybe have pink. Tajay Sharp, Bettis. There is a Brilliance, Andrew Luck, and Devin White rookie. Atkins, Scantling, Gurley, Caden Smith rookie. I don't recognize that name. That might be the first Caden Smith rookie I've pulled. DJ Moore, Deshaun Hamilton. There is a silver, so silver is possible. And it's Dwayne Haskins. So, hello. How you doing? Nice. And Sean Murphy Bunting. So green and silver. Neon green and silver. Sorry, had a phone call. Keep going. Jalen Smith, Harrison Smith, and Easton Stick autograph. Well, I'm pretty happy with my autographs. Those aren't bad at all. Hakeem Butler rookie card. Connor, Murray, Mahomes, and Jarrett Stidham rookie. There is Mr. Carson Wentz, Marlon Mack, a Fireworks Amari Cooper, and Irv Smith Jr. Little Alabama product there. Two Alabama products back to back. Built by Bama. Built by Bama. Kenyon Drake. Tariq Cohen. Joe Namath. Built by Bama. And Damian Harris. Built by Bama. Holy smokes. I know. You Alabama haters are like, whatever. I don't blame you. I get it. Mark Andrews, Tyrell Williams, and Jordan Howard neon. Looks good. Dexter Lawrence rookie. And our last pack has the following. Alshon Jeffrey, Delaney Walker, Sean Alexander, built by Alabama, and Rockwell Armstead rookie card. So lots of good rookies, couple of decent autographs, some good looking parallels. This is a sweet little pull here. Definitely not bad. These autographs look sweet. So I wasn't all that excited for retail, but now I'm actually really looking forward to those blasters and rack packs to see what those look like. So hopefully I'll have those in the next couple of days. Well, actually by the time this posts, I should have them really soon. So watch out for that. Everybody, thank you for watching. I hope you're doing well. Love you guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.